let's make a traditional Pakistani biryani.
3.5 cup rice, wash and soak for 30 minutes.
Now we're gonna boil the rice. We added cumin, green chilies, black cardamom, bay leaf, and some other whole spices. We're also gonna add some salt. Once your water is boiling, add some mint leaves. Once your water is boiling, add the rice. Large pot. Add lots of oil to your big pot. First, we're gonna stir fry our potatoes.
Keep frying until the color changes. Remove when the color has changed. Add the whole spices. Keep stirring until fragrant. Add 5 large onions, thinly sliced. Keep stirring until it changes the color.
Remove rice when 90% done. Put the rice aside for later use.
Almost done. Now let's add our chicken mixture. Once the chicken color has changed, we're gonna add our tomatoes and green chilies. Add the dried plums.
Add the potatoes to your leftover chicken mixture because we're gonna use them later.
Reduce until almost no water is remaining. Add 1 cup of finely chopped mint. Once the oil has separated from the mixture, add your potatoes. Cover and cook until the chicken and potatoes are fully cooked.
Now this has been cooking for 15 to 20 minutes. Now we're gonna add the rice on the top layer.
Now we're gonna place our pot onto our tawa, which will give us indirect heat. We're also gonna add some saffron milk. We're also gonna add some chunks of butter. Right now it's at a high heat so we can create some steam. We're also gonna sprinkle some garam masala on top. Once it starts to steam inside, we're gonna put it on low heat and put it there for 15 minutes.
Okay, now it's been 15 minutes. It should be ready. Yes. Look at that. Amazing. Let's put it on a plate and then we'll taste it.
Okay, here's our biryani. And we're gonna serve it with some raita. All right, let's try it.